Hello, my name is Dr. Renah Wolzinger, and I am the Chief Learning Officer here at Eon Reality, excited to share our applications in aerospace. A quick summary, we've been around over 25 years. We're going to be soon listed on NASDAQ, registered with an over $650 million value. We currently have 6 SaaS products: Learn, Train, Perform, Collaborate, and Earn with code-free XR and AI. We have the world's largest 3D assets library with over 6 million assets and models, both free and premium. We've sold over 2.4 million licenses and have had over 42 million downloads. We also have a marketplace where creators share their experiences and can earn money, and a knowledge metaverse program. These are some of our industry partners that we've been working with over the past 25 years. You can see some big ones here: Samsung, Boeing, several airlines, including United, General Electric, Honeywell, and FIFA. One of the big things about this type of training with Eon XR is just the cost reduction and the training time. So with service training technicians, we've achieved 12 times faster training with a cost savings of over 92%. For operators, almost 3 times faster with a cost savings of over 63%. You can see there those are for shank adapter change and for oil rig operators using Eon XR. So let's talk about some of the value. We're really transforming education with XR and AI applications, having that interactive real-time application, getting off of PowerPoints and out of the book into real live models with interactive content. So it's greatly enhancing the education quality and improving those student learning outcomes, improving retention and engagement. We have a large global network. We're in over 100 countries with over 42 million user downloads. So let's take a look at one of our partners called PwC.
We have conducted a study on virtual reality learning. We found learners in VR required less time to learn. They had higher emotional connection to the content, higher confidence, and were less distracted during the training.
So talking about the problems and solutions, the current problem was that traditional AI models like ChatGPT are just a brain in a jar and lack the context to the physical world. The current AI solutions to this problem are limited to text and voice, but do not provide an experiential solution. Our solution is take the genie out of the bottle with an AI-based avatar, full body, that can interact with anything. And Eon provides a friendly AI knowledge companion that helps them instantly acquire knowledge and solve problems in daily life with 43 features that are auto-generated. And we have show and tell in the virtual world and guide and assist in the real world. I'll show you some examples in a minute. This is based on a cognitive architecture with spatial augmented reality. The avatar knows where it is through geopositional persistent tracking. The AI has image recognition, so it knows what it's looking at and can understand the model or the real-life scenario. And it includes LiDAR scanning, so you can scan objects as well and include that in the experience. You can have multi-users, both in a meeting or actually in a headset. We support many devices. There's over 5.4 billion devices, mostly phones. Most of our users love to use phones because they have them with them, and support that large asset library, and also AI language models are supported. So there are 3 main products there at the bottom. The Metaverse Builder, where you can add 1 or more objects or models. The avatar comes in and you can interact with the avatar. And that allows you to use that code-free environment, bring in those portals, and then gain instant training and knowledge information. Eon Interact is where you can add animations to models such as explosion, fire, smoke, different animations and sound effects that add that realistic training experience. And then the knowledge world of Learn and Earn, where you can go into spatial meetings, you can meet with other people and do things together. So the Eon AI Assistant, shown here, full body AI, helps with show and tell, guide and assist AI reporting. You can see right here how most of our users use it with a phone or a tablet. So the AI Assistant has 43 features, and we have a report that it generates. It remembers everything that was asked and answered, and you can download that report at the end of the experience. It's always there for you to download. So let's talk about aerospace. We have a bunch of examples in aerospace, including maintenance and operations, cockpit training, runway safety, crash prevention. So let's take a look at some of these.
I'm your AI guy. You can ask me anything. The upper engine display on a Boeing 777 is a display that shows the engine performance data for the aircraft. It includes information such as engine speed, fuel flow, and oil pressure.
Runway 3562 going to gate Delta 60 comma. No, 3562.
To accomplish the 777 engine auto start procedure, first turn the left engine start selector to start. Then the right engine start selector to start. Then the left engine fuel control switch to run. Then the right engine fuel control switch to run. The system then starts both engines automatically. To accomplish the 777 engine auto start procedure, first turn the left engine start selector to start. Then the right engine start selector to start. Then the left engine fuel control switch to run. Then the right engine fuel control switch to run. The system then starts both engines automatically.
Pacific time. For weather, Los Angeles International Airport, partly cloudy, 10 miles visibility, temperature 53 degrees Fahrenheit, 12 degrees Celsius. I'd expect some turbulence here just for about another 15 minutes, and then it looks like
So you have a choice between using a 3D model, 360 image, or labeling the real parts in the actual real cockpit or any real environment. So why now? AI is really taking over, being more efficient, saving time, allowing us to do things that we weren't able to do before. It's become recently available, and EON brings the virtual and physical worlds to life, as you saw. These cases have proven large cost savings and increased efficiency in many industries, and the technology is ready to be rolled out to scale. It's an important thing here. 90% of online content will be generated by AI by 2025. That's the prediction. And we're taking the lead with the launch of Spatial AI and the EON Assistant.
But what generative AI can do essentially is create new things that would have thus far been seen as unique to human intelligence or creativity. And generative AI can create across all media. So text, video, audio, every digital medium can be powered by generative AI.
Okay, so some of the areas in aerospace that are applicable: commercial aviation, defense and military aircraft, spacecraft and satellites, unmanned aerial vehicles, and aerospace components and systems. There are many concrete use cases, as you can see here: AR-based safety training, AR-based maintenance and repair assistance, training for the cabin crew, remote collaboration using augmented reality, AR-based product demonstrations, AR-based training for ground crews, virtual training for pilots, real-time technical support, and virtual showrooms. In AI-based safety training, the assistant can provide AR-based safety training to workers, and it reduces the risk associated with complex machinery and equipment. For maintenance and repair assistance, you can provide step-by-step maintenance. You can actually feed the AI all of your manuals and all of your guides, and then once it knows that, you can provide step-by-step maintenance and get real-time information back and forth from the AI, including all of the models and information. Aerospace training for cabin crew. The AI assistant can provide training for cabin crews and improve their skills, reducing the risk of accidents. One quick example could be training for slides, how it deploys. You can do all of that in augmented reality. Remote collaboration. You can facilitate remote collaboration between engineers, technicians, and pilots. So you can do a spatial meeting and meet around any scenario, or, for example, in a maintenance hangar, and have those communications and trainings. Aerospace AR-based product demonstration. So you can, of course, bring in models of any products and then remotely demonstrate those, including all the parameters around those products. Aerospace training for ground crews. You can provide AR-based training to ground crews, reducing the risk of accidents and improving efficiency. For example, driving equipment around an airport and all the various airport markings and safety around those procedures. Aerospace virtual training for pilots. We saw a lot of those demonstrations here today. You can do those in headsets. You can also do those without headsets using computers, tablets, even phones, and do the virtual training in the cockpit, safety procedures, things that you would currently find in manuals or videos, but now you can make interactive lessons, and as you saw, with live assessments, so you can see how you're doing on those procedures. And real-time technical support. Again, if you feed the AI all of the information, you can get technical support on any system that it understands. Virtual showrooms. Aerospace manufacturers can create virtual showrooms using the AI assistant. so users can explore and interact with products in the virtual environment. And this can include the products, for example, an airplane inside of a hangar, so inside of the environment of your choice. The AI Assistant academic and enterprise subscription rates are here. And those are the academic and enterprise solutions. And there's also volume packages, skills programs, and different pricing models. So I'd like to thank you for listening to this presentation and hope to hear from you soon.